The secret to find world-class tools for your earning 1K to 2K per month quickly as soon as possible. So in this method, I'm going to share with you that how you can make money for absolutely free with this specific strategy. You can simply copy and paste, and then you can generate some decent amount of money from that. So this will be basically affiliate marketing tutorial on the ClickBank, and I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can do that for absolutely free. So stay tuned to the very end of this video, and you will learn at the end of this video each and everything step by step. Okay. So don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation, and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So of course, you need to subscribe first and then turn on the bell notification into all, and you will be notified for our future updates and making money online method. So the first thing is that you can simply visit to the ClickBank right here, because ClickBank, if you don't know, it is an affiliate marketing platform actually that you can sell other people products. At the backside, you can earn commission from that. So here, once you come here, right here to this website, you can sign up for that. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, then you can simply go to the marketplace right away here on the top. Once you just go there, you can simply click on this button right here, and that will show you the top products right here. And make sure that you sort it by the gravity right here, and then you can simply scroll down and you will see a lot of product which is already trending and many people are promoting that and they are earning money from that. So we can simply choose any product from these right here. As you can see here on the left side, there are also the main categories that you can simply choose and start promoting the product. But I just recommend to use this button right here on the top that they can simply search, and that will show you the top products right here, which is 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤. The next one is Java Burn Pet. And the third one, you can see here, you can simply scroll down and you can see here the dental tags, which are all of them are the weight loss product. We can simply choose one of them. If we just sell on someone right here with our affiliate link, so we can earn $154 plus 78 cents, and they will have a recurring commission when each month they purchase the product. We will get this amount of money again and again for one single person. So we will try our best to sell this product to many people that we will have a lot of money from that. So we can simply go to the sales page right here by just clicking, and also affiliate tools area right here by just clicking this button right here. So this is the main sales page. If you redirect people, so they will just come right here to this website or this landing page, so they can read all these things and they can purchase. Whenever they purchase, so we get the commission. So here is the email, the affiliate tools area. We will have for absolutely free, like install pixels, email swipes right here. We have different emails for promotion right here. And we have the images or banners if we want to promote this anywhere. So we can simply promote right here this for absolutely free right here. So the next step will be that we can simply go to the pre-topic, that how we can promote. Basically, that from topic that I'm going to share with you, 73% is coming from the United Kingdom, which is absolutely the richest country. And we do want these types of people that we can show our product in front of them, that we can promote right here. So the website name will be the 𝐔𝐍�oz.com, which is this website name right here, as you can see here. And here are the different, for example, main category like personal services, property, for sales, motors, jobs, job CVs, community right here. And you can also see here the main or subcategories right here. On when you click on any main category, then you will see the subcategories right here. For example, we are promoting the weight loss product. We can simply click on the services right here, and we can simply click on the health and beauty, that we can simply promote our product in front of these people right here. But how we can do that, that is simple, and there are simple steps. Like for example, the first to visit to this web page right here, select your category, then click on the button to read post a free ads in, and then follow the instructions. So how we can do that, once we come to this web page right here, then you can simply choose the services. and then you can simply choose the health and fitness category. Once you just choose that and click on that, then you will be visited that, I mean, that will be open, and that category you will have the option. These are other people product that they are promoting and earning money from that. So we can also promote our own product, means we from the clickbank, and start making money or commission from that. So basically we will click on this link right here. Once we click, we will be redirected to this page right here, and they will just make sure that you are agree with their term conditions and their policies. They ask you, I want to post in a different category, means if you want to change your mind, you can simply go to another category, or if you are agree, you can simply click on this link right here. Once you click on this link, you will see this page of pop-up, and that will show you something like title section, description, hourly rate, cities, and other information. So for that reason, I can simply just add it quickly all these credentials, that how we can do that. As you can see here, I have just added, for example, topical love hold this solves 2.5 lbs in 24 hours, and then I add the description right here. Inside the description, I add my affiliate link right here. At the bottom, I also add my link right here, and then I simply just scroll down and it picks the right. I just add the price, then I select the city, location, email address, email, and password. I add the image, and then I add my, for example, anti-spam code, which is this one. I add it right here, and then I click agree term of condition, and if you click on the preview, that will show you preview, and then you can submit. So the question is there, that how we can copy and paste, and how we brought all these title, description, each and everything. So you can simply go to the emails, the affiliate tools area right here by just clicking this button. Once you click on this button, you will be visited this page right here. You can go to the email swipe. As you can see here, I just select, for example, this one, the title right here. I copy that, and here is the description. I just copied this description and passed it right here, for example, and this description right here, title here, description here. And then for that purpose, I just go to again back right here and click on the promote button. I copy my affiliate link from here, and then I just simply go there and paste it right here, and as well as here at the bottom. And then I scroll down and I'll just add this information, and then I add the image right here. The image is simple. You can simply go to back to the affiliate tools area and then go to the image right here, and you will see this. Just click on any one of these and then right click and save image as, and that will be just download it to your PC, and you can simply come back right here and just paste it or upload it right here, and then you are good to go with this. So this is the easiest method that you have never seen before, and you can simply copy and paste these tags and you can promote your product. So that is something like a lot of people are coming to this website for searching different products. So your products will be in front of them that they can get whenever they purchase. So we get the commission right here. So we help them, they help us, and this is the unique method that we can earn money for absolutely free with the internet connection, smartphone or PC or laptop. If you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video. You will be visited to this page right here, that you can simply just have this software right here that can bring you the free leads and buyers to any link, means to any affiliate link or CPL link or any other link. So you will be visited to this page right here, and you can simply just read each and everything, the bonuses, tips, tricks, strategies, each and everything. If you are agree, then you are good to go with this software, and you can make and generate a decent amount of money from this software, which is absolutely free. Again and again, money actually that you can earn right here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brain video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.